Thanks for checking out my channel, guys. On this trip, we went out for NorCal Bluefin Tuna, and this was my first time going out, and it was one to remember. I hope you guys like the content, like and subscribe. So we trolled hard all day, and after 10 hours, no luck, and we were losing hope. And then luckily, we called a buddy up that pointed us in the right direction.
Hell yes! Yeah! Wait. Keep going. Hold on. All right, here. Let's do it together, and I'll let you find it. Here, both grab the rod. Hold on. Why'd you slow down so much? Here, no, both. Goodbye.
What?
Here, put in the rod holder, I think, for now. Start cranking. I'm taking that rod out. Crank as tight as you can, bro. Yeah! Keep it tight! Focus, keep it tight, I'll help you. Woo. Come on, I know. 15 seconds. And I'll help you.
I'm gonna get the gas ready.
Huh?
I'll get the gas ready.
You want me to take over?
Yeah, take over.
Tell me what we're doing. You might have to switch my arms here. You want to switch? Alright, go. With the gas. I think I trust you more with the gas.
Jeez.
Get 2 gaps ready.
I got 2 gas ready. Use the bamboo gas.
Take a left, 10 degree turn left. I just don't think it's a good idea to stop, man. It's like in San Diego. Okay. We're not even at Toronto yet. We're at Toronto. Tight. Yeah, lift it up like that. Real thick. If I nail it, you gotta grab the other gap. Come on, keep going. It's right here. Oh wait, it's gonna take off maybe right now. Nice. Alright, Dave, good shot. Fuck you! I got him. Pretty full, you're good. I don't want to break your arm. I want to get it up. Come on, I don't want to break your arm. Hold on. You're right. I don't want to break it. Move it. I got it. Don't worry. You'll be fine. I don't want it to break. 1, 2, 3. Yeah! You alright? Boy! Yeah! Shoot, let's get another one. Let's get it!
Hey, we gotta spike this sucker.
Alright, we will.
Spike in there.
pliers. All right, guys. First NorCal BFT for me. I've caught some in San Diego, but NorCal, I gotta eat the heart. Haven't done it ever, so no, it's whatever. A little rubber-like.
Tastes like sushi.
Sushi?
Sushi.
Yeah.
Hey, it's not bad.
So we ended up trolling a total of 190 miles on this trip and finally got one. Hope you guys liked it. See you next time.